Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix ChromeSetup exe is not a valid Win32 application here in your Windows or a computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the very best solution that I could recommend you is you need to download and install again a Google Chrome application here in your Windows. How you can do that, you need to visit or open any of your favorite browser or whatever browser that you have in your Windows. It could be Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or Brave browser. In my case, I'll be using this Microsoft Edge. Just have to use any of your favorite browser. Anyway, they have the same options. Okay. So here at the window search bar of that browser that you have, you need to type for Google space Chrome space download. So the moment you have typed that, click on enter to proceed. So just have to wait until the results are ready for you. Okay. And once it is being ready, just have to scroll down. Okay. Just have to continue on scrolling down and look for this Google Chrome, the fast and secure web browser built to be yours. So this is the very secure link that you could ever have or that you could ever access here in your Windows. Just have to go with this by clicking on it. And the moment you have to click on it, just have to wait until you are being redirected to the installation of the Google Chrome application here in your Windows. Now you can see there a blue button. Just have to click on this, and there you have that you would be able to download the Google Chrome. Okay? In my case, I'll be not downloading this since I have the Google Chrome and it's completely working fine. But in your case, you get an error, so it is a must for you to click this. Anyway, it is a secure link that you could use or that you could access here in your Windows. Just have to click on it and wait until the Google Chrome will be installed or I mean will be downloaded, and then there it is. You just have to install the Google Chrome application here in your Windows. Okay? So simply close this window and once you're done, you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.